Hi, and welcome to the Library and Learning Commons. My name's Jen, and I'm one of the librarians working from the Comox Valley campus on the traditional and unceded territory of the Comox First Nation. I'm going to take you on a brief tour of the Library and Learning Commons website with the goal of making sure you know how to access the supports to help you excel this semester. The Library and Learning Commons homepage is the jumping off point to access all of our resources and supports. You can see all of the academic supports laid out here, and this is where you start your search for books, articles, and videos. The Library and Learning Commons holds workshops and events throughout the semester. From writing to citing, we're covering it in our workshops. Check them out. Looking for a place to study or to work on a group project? Find the perfect spot in the library by visiting Book a Space. Just choose your campus, the day and time, and you're set. Books aren't the only thing available for checkout. Forgot your phone charger? Need an HDMI cable? We've got it. Even laptops are available for week-long loans. Technology questions? NIC Student Technology Support is located right in the library. From setting up your email, getting support with Brightspace, or discovering free software downloads, tech support is here to help. Don't hesitate to contact them with any of your tech questions. Library staff are here to help you find articles and resources for your assignments, cite your sources, and focus your research topics. Research support is available in person, online through Kaltura Classroom, by phone, email, and through our virtual chat service Askaway. Book your appointment with a library staff member by choosing the day and time that works for you. We've also created subject-specific online guides to support your research, as well as how-to videos showing you how to best navigate the library collection and resources. Remember, you can always drop into the library to get help, even without an appointment. It's always a good idea to have someone else review your work before submitting it, and that's where writing support comes in. To make an appointment, click here and pick a time that works for you. Let us know if you want to connect with writing support in person, by phone, virtually, or if you'd prefer to receive email feedback. Another option for writing support is right away. Free to NIC students, you can submit your writing online and receive extensive feedback. Click here to register and submit your work. Writing staff have also pulled together great writing resources for you, from tips on writing strategies to spelling and grammar. It's all here. If it's math support you're looking for, we have you covered with math faculty ready to help. Visit the Math Support page to book an appointment and to ask questions about any NIC courses that have a math component. You have your choice of booking a one-on-one appointment or joining a drop-in session. There's links to math resources here too. Learn new approaches to studying and writing with NIC's peer tutoring service. Tutors are highly trained to help you achieve success in all levels of NIC courses. To book an appointment with a tutor, click here, then choose a time that works for you. New tutors are being hired all the time, and if you're interested in being a tutor, click here to apply. Want to know what's new in the Library and Learning Commons? Subscribe to our social media accounts, where we post study tips, run contests, and post reminders about upcoming workshops and events. We're excited to meet you, so drop on by or reach out to us with any questions.